everyone, it's Taylor from Jacobs Creek Watershed Association, and this week I'm at a really cool spot, which is the Alliance Furnace. So the Alliance Furnace is an often forgotten furnace. It was built in 1789 and it was the first iron blast furnace to be built on the west side of the Allegheny Mountains. So at its prime, this furnace would have stood about 15 feet tall. Right now it's a bit broken down, but to get here there is a beautiful walking trail. So to get here it's a little over a mile, probably about 1.2 miles, and it's all in the middle of state game lands. So you got 1.2 miles to get to the furnace, and also you can visit Jacobs Creek as well. So there's a beautiful part of Jacobs Creek right along the Alliance Furnace and along the trail in the state game lands. So you can come down here and park in the gravel state game lands parking lot, walk down over a mile, get to the furnace, enjoy the furnace and the history, enjoy beautiful Jacobs Creek, and then you gotta walk back the other mile to get back to your car. But it's a really nice trail. It is gravel the whole way, but it's a bit difficult just because there's a lot of hills that you have to go up and down. But it's really cool. You can pass under a railroad bridge on your way here. You're right in the middle of the woods too, so it's a beautiful spot to go do some bird watching, see some nature, and then also learn a little bit about history and see Jacobs Creek. So it's really an all-in-one trail. So I hope you come down to the Alliance Furnace and the state game lands and enjoy their walking trail and the furnace as well. And as a quick reminder, if you haven't already, please take a pledge for our Walk Our Watershed fundraiser. You get to log your miles and go to places just like this around our watershed and compete with the other people in your community who are also walking our watershed. The goal is 177 miles, which is how many miles Jacobs Creek is, and you have until September 30th to get all of your miles in. So I hope you sign up for that. You'll get a t-shirt if you donate $50 or more, and if you donate at least $1, you'll get a sticker or a decal. So make sure to support us and sign up for the Walk Our Watershed fundraiser.